Alright, today we are upgrading this original OEM black Dodge fob. It's kind of banged up, and we're going to replace it with this nice red SRT fob. I got this one off eBay. There's a link below in the description. They're about $40. The dealership will actually do this for you, and they charge about $100 to do it. So you can do it for yourself. It'll cost you about $40 and a few minutes. So let me show you what you're dealing with once you open this thing up. So when you open up your old fob, there's kind of two different styles. Let me zoom in here. This one, it has kind of a long, there'll be a long post right here. And what I did is just took a nice stout screwdriver and just pushed forward without damaging the board. And then this one, which is the more common one, the post has been melted down and it just sits over top of that. So what you want to do for this one is put your screwdriver here and work this board out. These boards are pretty stout. As you can see, obviously I've already broken it, but just kind of push on this corner a little bit and that'll get it moving. Okay, so this is actually the board I'm going to be using. So let me go ahead and open up my red fob. It does come with a new mechanical key, so you want to replace it with your old one. And just put it right here. Get access to that. Put the old board in on that peg right there, and then you can either get a new battery or use your old one, whatever you want. I'm going to use this old one since I already have it. Insert it here and then squeeze these two back together and replace with the mechanical key that actually fits your car. Okay, that's all you need to do, and now you've upgraded your fob. I think it's a pretty nice upgrade for $40. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.